The three most important things you will need when you relocate abroad, not minding the country, are accommodation, food, and a job. And once you sort out where you're staying, the next urgent thing is how to get a job fast. But if you actually need money quickly, you need to focus on jobs that are higher in volume, that don't require long processes to get hired, and that are always understaffed. So when you focus on jobs that have these criteria, you stand a chance of getting a job within the first month of your arrival in that country. So in this video today, we're going to speak about fastest jobs you can get when you arrive in the UK. Now, the first is care and support roles. Care and support roles are actually one of the fastest jobs you can get in the UK. There's always demand in this sector. They're always employing people. And the care and support roles are roles that have flexible working patterns. So as a student, which we know you're already entitled to only working 20 hours per week, you can apply for care and support roles because they have flexible working patterns. Some care roles can take you from application to job offer in just few days, in as much as you are flexible to work different shift patterns. And someone might ask me, but I don't have experience in care. I don't have experience in support. Most of these care companies that you apply to will give you full training. These roles may not require you to have any experience at all whatsoever. You just need to apply and you land yourself a job. How to apply for these jobs is to go on company website or on the website and apply for the job directly. But if you're going to apply through an agency, if you're getting these jobs through an agency, the agencies may not give you a holistic care and support training. You understand? So they will always require you to have prior experience in care and support roles. And now this is where I come in. When it comes to having experience in care and support roles, it doesn't really mean you have to have a paid experience. You can have experiences informally. You understand? If you've ever taken care of somebody in your family, if you've taken care of a child, if you've been a personal carer to somebody, you can have that as an experience. Yes, because that's what it simply means. Working as a care and a support worker, what you are practically doing is just to offer support to people. Okay, you're offering them support in their daily activities, in their day-to-day lives, helping them to do what they can do for themselves at the time. That is what your role is. So if you've done this informally, it might even be from your home country. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be a UK experience for it to relate to your application. Do you understand? If you've done it in your home country, if you've taken care of your grandma when she was sick, or you've taken care of your nieces and nephews for a while, you were responsible for their well-being, you're responsible for their support, both emotionally, physically, and all that, personal care and all, you are eligible to apply even through an agency. What you just need is proper structure of grammar and how to bring these experiences into your CV. Do you understand? Now, it doesn't even have to be your family. If you've done something like that in the community, maybe you've joined an outreach once in a while and you're supporting people in the community, that is also an experience in care and support roles, and that can also translate into you having experience. Do you understand? You can actually use those ones as your personal experiences. Now, experience doesn't always mean it has to be in the UK, and it doesn't always mean that it has to be a paid experience, that it has to be an experience you get from a job. No, you can have an informal experience, and that can also still count. You can also apply on Indeed. You can use platforms like Total Jobs, CV Library. Let me tell you something. Care and support, I'll say, is one of the biggest sector in the UK, because when you work as a carer or when you work as a support worker, the skills you're going to gain from working as a carer translates to different other sectors. Do you understand? If you work as a care and support worker, you can apply as a social worker. You can apply to the NHS. Of course, you can apply to the NHS. See, and your experience can also count if eventually you want to go into nursing or you want to do a nursing course. Your experience as a carer can be a tangible experience that you will use in your application. When you want to frame your CV and you want to put in how you helped somebody, your personal experience in care and support, don't just say, I helped a family member. No, you can say, I provided daily support and care for a family member. You can also say you assisted with personal care, routines, and well-being. And you can also say that you demonstrated patience, because these are the skills that a carer and a support worker is supposed to have. Patience, responsibility, and communication skills. All these things are what you need to be a carer and a support worker. They want to see it in your CV. Do you understand? So this is how you can translate your personal experiences into a professional experience in your CV. Okay. Now, the next quickest jobs you can get in the UK are warehouse jobs. Yes, just when I mean quick jobs, it doesn't mean they are easy jobs. No, quick jobs can be jobs that are very tedious, but as far as you paying your bills, okay. Now this is one of the quickest jobs you can get because they hire in bulk, especially when it's during seasons like the Christmas seasons, holiday periods. They are always hiring. Do you understand? So you can apply to work in a warehouse. And the good thing is that you can apply today and start within a week or within 2 weeks. That is how fast you can get a warehouse job. Now, most of the time, you don't even need experience for a warehouse job. It's just you being available. It's just your availability and the ability to handle physical work. Because when it comes to the warehouse jobs, you have to be physically fit. Because if you're working, depending on the shift patterns you're working, if you're working in the night, you will not sleep. Sometimes you have to work in the cold rooms, Sometimes you have to carry heavy boxes and load the trolleys and all that. So you will need to have ability to do physical work. But as someone that just needs a job to go by, I'm sure it's something that you can actually do. Do you understand? And all those jobs I mentioned, it doesn't mean you have to do them long term. You just need stability at the time. You just need to have something that is bringing money in legally. Warehouse jobs comes in through agencies like Adeco, Randstad, and Manpower. Okay, you can search these agencies in your local area. You can also find warehouse jobs listings on Indeed and Reed. Next quickest kinds of jobs you can get in the UK or wherever you are hospitality jobs. So this is you working in a restaurant, working in a hotel, working in cafes. Now, these hospitality jobs, the roles that they usually have might be servers, kitchen porters, kitchen attendants, assistants, cleaners. When it comes to these hospitality jobs, you can always don't just rely on applying online. Walk into the stores. You can walk into Greg's, you can walk into McDonald's, you can also walk into your cafe in school. Do you understand? I had friends when I was schooling, who were students as well, but they were working in the school cafe. Do you understand? So when they go to school in the morning, they resume their shift in the afternoon. So it's actually easy yourself to even work in school because that way you can plan your shift around your availability. That's how you can get these jobs. Applying online or doing a walk into the place and ask them if they have vacancies, especially during the winter period. During the winter period, when people are always queuing up for their coffees and all that. During those seasonal periods, they take in more staff, they hire in bulk. So those jobs can also come in very handy for you. And also apply online using Indeed or caterers.com. These are where you can see hospitality vacancies that you can apply to. The next quickest job you can get in the UK are also cleaning jobs. Cleaning jobs are another fast option that people often overlook. As I said earlier, these jobs are not jobs that you have to do long term. If you start the job and you see that you're not getting satisfaction or you're not happy with the job, you can always quit. But I'm mentioning them because they are the quickest jobs you can get. It's just things that will help you go by until you eventually stabilize, or get another kind of job. Now, these jobs are not demeaning in any form at all. They are not demeaning. All these jobs are honorable jobs, are responsible jobs that will give you responsible means of income. What the most important thing is that you're getting money and you're getting it legally. Do you understand? There is usually less competition when it comes to cleaning vacancies, cleaning roles, and the employers are often hiring urgently. So these jobs can be in offices, can be in private homes, can be in schools, and many of them also offer flexible hours. Now, why I'm mentioning all these jobs are because they have flexible hours, and as a student, flexibility is one of the most important things you need in a job. So you can apply for hospitality roles on Indeed, Gumtree, and local Facebook groups in your area. Next quickest job you can get as an international student are retail jobs. Retail jobs are those people that are working as retailers in all these stores. Okay, if you go to a clothing store or you go to a food store, you see those people that are helping you, the attendants. Those are retailers. So those are retail jobs. You can work as someone that stacks the shelf. You can work as someone that is at the checkout. You can work as someone that helps customers to sort out their orders and all that. Those are retail jobs and you can get them. But for retail jobs, you will need to have a little bit of confidence because they'll always be in people's faces. You can find those job vacancies on Indeed, on Reed, on company websites, and also walk-ins. And also watch out for seasonal hirings. If you come into the country when it's close to winter period or close to any major holidays, most of these big stores will need extra hands to do a job for them or to work that season with them. So those ones can also come in handy for you as an international student. Okay, so how do you get hired fast? How to get hired fast, because that's what you want to hear. First of all, apply through recruitment agencies. Okay, recruitment agencies, when they take you, they do not delay to start giving you roles or sending you to places to go and work. Do you get? So apply to recruitment agencies. Immediately you come into the country, start applying to recruitment agencies. While you're applying to companies themselves, apply also to recruitment agencies, because that way it broadens your scope of job type. Now, another way to be hired fast is to be available immediately. Now, don't go and apply for a job, and when they ask you when can you start, you say maybe in 1 month's time, or I'm just coming into the country, so I'll need time to settle and relax. And no, be available immediately. If you apply for a job and you get granted an interview and they ask you when can you start, you can start immediately. You can always negotiate about shift patterns and all that. You get so, but being available immediately will also enhance your chances of getting hired faster. Accept flexible shifts, including night and weekends when it's convenient. Okay, don't just be rigid and say, oh, I can only work in the mornings or I can only work at night. Most of the shift patterns available in the UK may not really be one-way street kind of shift patterns. Okay, you might work morning today or this week, and the next week you're working in the night. So if you're available for flexibility, then you can get hired fast as well. Now, another way to get hired fast is don't just apply online. I've said it already. Walk in and ask. Walk in and make inquiries. Walk into the company, walk into the office and make your inquiries. Also, apply consistently. Keep applying. The, when I was applying for a job, yeah, I got not, if not more, I got up to 100 unfortunately. Yes, at a point, my email was full of unfortunately. Like you just open your email and in a day you're seeing 7. Unfortunately, we can't go ahead with you. Unfortunately, but did this stop me from applying? No, I kept applying because I needed a job. Okay, so keep applying consistently. Don't let the unfortunately or the failures of application stop you from applying, because after all, you need a job. Yeah. So as I bring this video to a close, don't just expect a quick job to be an easy job. If you get a job quickly, it doesn't mean it's going to be easy. Some jobs will need you to be physically strong. Some jobs will need you to be emotionally and mentally ready. Some jobs will need you to be flexible, to be able to work flexible shift patterns and all that. So just be ready and adapt as the need arises. Okay, so drop a comment for me in the comment section if you have any other job you feel that it is very good for international students, or any idea of a job where you know that international students can apply and get these jobs faster. Drop it for me in the comment section. Let's just discuss, okay, in the comment section, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.